Hi everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a countdown timer in PowerPoint easily. Imagine this. You've set up your slides, you're about to start a lesson, and you want a countdown timer on one of the slides. Maybe to give your students 5 minutes to discuss in small groups, or maybe it's break time. There are actually several easy ways to do this, so let's dive in. First, go to the slide where you want the countdown timer to appear. At the top, click on Insert, and then choose Video. You can add a countdown timer video by embedding a YouTube video or by uploading a timer video from sites like Pixabay. Both options work great. If you're using a free stock video site, go to pixabay.com, search for Countdown Timer, and choose the video length you need. Download the timer video to your computer. Then in PowerPoint, click Insert, select Video, and choose this device to upload the video you downloaded. The timer will appear on your slide. You can drag to position it, resize it, and adjust the video playback options to play on click or play automatically. Alternatively, you can insert a YouTube video directly. In the YouTube search bar, type the length of the timer you want, followed by the words Countdown Timer. For example, I'll type 1-minute countdown timer. You'll see several countdown timer videos. Read the titles to find one you like, then click on it, right-click to copy the video link, and head back to your slide. In PowerPoint, click Insert, then Video, and choose Online Videos. Paste the YouTube URL you just copied, then click Insert. Now your countdown timer video is in your slide. You can move it, resize it, and adjust the playback settings just like before. By default, the timer is set to play on click, which means it won't start until you click during your presentation. If you want it to start automatically, change the setting to play automatically, and now, as soon as your slideshow begins, the countdown will start right away. Another option is to use free PowerPoint templates. Go to a site like PPT Design and search for a countdown timer. They have a large collection of free timer templates. Download one, open it in PowerPoint, then right-click the slide with the timer and select Copy. Go back to your own presentation, right-click, and under Paste Options, select Keep Source Formatting. That's it. You can now adjust it however you like. The last option is to add a timer add-in. Go to the Home tab and click on Add-ins. In the search bar, type in Break Time. Click Add, and the timer will appear on your slide. Here you can set how long the timer is, like 5 minutes, and even add a related picture to make it more fun. Finally, click Start, and the timer will begin. You can also check out another add-in called Timer for PowerPoint. The process is the same. Set the length of the timer, then click Start Timer to begin. And that's it. You can add a countdown timer to a PowerPoint presentation by embedding a YouTube video, uploading a timer video from sites like Pixabay, using a free template, or installing a timer add-in. All of these work great for lessons, meetings, or presentations when you want to keep everyone on track. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech guides.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.